What's up, guys? This is my 2000 Honda Civic DX Hatchback 5-speed manual. Okay, this car has a lot of stuff done to it. Little OEM plus accessories. Okay, super clean car. So it's got Integra confetti seats, proper dark gray color. Okay, this car has all factory dark gray interior. It's got power windows added from like an EX or an EM1 Si. It has the tweeters. It has the cluster added with a tachometer out of like an EX. The car has factory air conditioning, power steering, Integra shift knob, CRV steering wheel that's mint. Sun visors are mint. Very clean interior overall. 156,000 original miles. The cluster, the centerpiece is original, just the cluster was changed. Common thing to do on these 96 Civics. So the car's salvage from theft. As you can see, the tweakers tried to peel the VIN off. Clean car. It's not perfect, but it's clean. See the scratches right there. Got some, minor dings, scratches, stuff like that. Overall, the car's very clean though. It's a DX, so painted. Spoiler. It is a salvage title, rebuilt title from theft. So keep that in mind. Stock motor, stock trans. It is a factory AC car, and these are the OEM headlights. Pop the hood, Michelin tires, the hood. Does have the package shirt in here. I'll show it to you inside the car. Package tray back there. Rear seats are stock. Runs super good. It passed smog. Smog is good for 90 days. But if you're interested, check my Instagram for the price. I'm not sure what we're gonna ask for it yet, but the price will be up live here within a day or two. Stay tuned. If you're interested, like, subscribe, follow on Instagram, Spencer's Hondas. Thanks, guys.